Hi, today September 27, 2020, I decided to go TK Pulse. It's around 35 kilometers from Bangalore. From my place, it is almost 25 kilometers. So I thought to go in the early morning, maybe to reach there early, 7 o'clock like that. But unfortunately, I woke up at almost on 10:30. I woke up. Then I decided to go at 1 o'clock. Then I started 1:30 maybe. So I started from Kengiri. Then I used Google Map, but it taken me the wrong route. And finally I asked some people there. Then they guided me to how go to that falls. But nearby that waterfalls, there is no boards also, there is no signage, and Google Map also it's showing wrong location. You don't rely on this one Google Map. And nearby that waterfalls the road is very narrow. It's very difficult to go two vehicles, because one side we are going, other side the other vehicles are coming. We can't give the side to these people. So if you are planning through like two-wheeler, then it's fine. And sometime the police are not allowing to visit that pulse. Today also I'm not able to see the water pulse. So nearby maybe 1 kilometer back only they close the road. I'm not able to go there. So if you are planning for TK Pulse, I think don't plan in weekends like Saturday, Sunday. The people are going there more, so that's the reason they are stopping to go that waterfalls. And I think you can plan weekdays. Maybe then there won't be that much of crowd. Maybe the police are also not restricted to go nearby that pulse. The problem is that if you are taking car na, the road is too narrow and there is no place to turn the vehicles, because your backside also some vehicles are coming. You can't turn the vehicles. So I struggle to turn my vehicle there. uh, the problem is that in road only you have to turn the vehicle. It's very difficult. In if you take some like outside the road, it is not possible that it's very narrow. It's like off-roaded also. So I suggest you not to go this place before knowing, or else you can do one thing. If you know any person that like nearby that place, then you ask that person and you can go there. Unless, or else you people are wasting your times, and the people are also is not responding properly there. So I asked one like I think he is a like forest officer maybe. He is not talking properly also. So at the end of this video, I given the water pulse link. This sorry, water pulse clip. That is not recorded by me. It's someone recorded. So I just given to show you people how the water pulse is. In models, the first thing is there is no signage like any boards like showing the way to the waterfalls. And the second thing is the road is very narrow. And the third thing is there is no like that there will be some time restriction. I also watched many some other YouTube videos. In that also the people are mentioned there don't visit the this one TK Pulse. And the fourth thing is like Google Map. Google Map also, we always know that it will show some other places. If you know the place also, it will give the wrong direction location only. So don't believe the Google location. You can ask some local peoples and you can go better to go if you are planning. half day is required to visit that place, but I'm not recommended this place to visit again. See, the problem is that if you went there again, that Pals is restricted for visiting, then what is the use for going there? So better to plan some other places. And that falls also, it is not that much of big pulse, and I think rainy season also don't plan in this place, because more water will be there. You can't take the bath like that, or you don't go in the like summer season. That time water won't be there, so I think better to go like September to November, maybe maximum you can go till December. I think if you go like September or October, then that will be good. So I'm trying to go another day, another weekdays. So if I got chance to visit, see the pulse, again, definitely I will do one more video so about that pulse. So see where I went here. So this is not the route where I went. So I asked one person there, then he guided me. Again I have to return back from that place. So thanks for watching my videos. So I'm also doing some travel related videos. So next week also I'm planning to Sringeri, Hornadu and Dharmasthala, Kukke, like that I was planning. So I have issue in my GoPros, that voice is not recording, so I have to check on that. So please watch my YouTube videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. I hope it will help you peoples. At least you can understand when you have to plan that place like that. Please comment if you have any doubts. Thank you. Good thing is the road is very good. You can take the pick road where I like recorded in my car. It was very nice road there. Both the side there will be greenery. So this is the pulse. Please watch and enjoy. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I need your useful support, so then only I can explore the more places and I can make some more videos. Thank you.